Hello guys, this is Aki from Aki's Garage. I got BMW 530e hybrid. The customer complaint is water leak. Obviously the coolant, it leaks a lot. As you can see here, there is no it's absolutely empty. There is no any coolant. I'm going to just top up a little bit water and just see what's going on. I already opened the cover, but guys, look at this. I just lift it up. I just need to maybe fill up a bit more. Just for testing. I know I have to put antifreeze, but obviously there is a leak. I don't want to waste my antifreeze. Okay. I'm just lifting the car off. This is, guys, 2019. It's about, I would say, 4 years old. And let's see, I see everything okay here. So I'm not gonna lift it up more because it might be my boot touching. Yeah, you can see the water actually leaking from under the cooler. I would say maybe the oil filter cooler. You can see it's just dropping, leaking very bad. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try, it's very bad access. I would try from the top. So let me, I just lift it down and then see what I can do. Yeah, the coolant is all the way down here. You can see there's no space. I think the best option, I just remove all ECUs, the engine unit control, and I get just a little bit of space here. And yeah, so what I done already, I just disconnect the battery, so, and try to close the boot, and yeah, and then hopefully, I know it's gonna be a difficult job, but hopefully my problem is the oil filter housing. after 5 hours. 5 million years. Well guys, I just removed everything. I got good space now, and I'm gonna try to take the what you call the oil filter housing, and once I took it out I let you know guys. I just managed to open. I don't know you can see from camera or not, it's just very bad place. It's very difficult to see. I just managed to open the top bolt and the bottom one. I still got another 2 that side. I see how it goes. Guys, just quick update. I managed to take 3 bolts out. The last bolt, which is all the way up, you can see on my camera. I put my camera, I try to see because it's very close. This is the bolt here is left. I'm gonna try to reach that bolt out. Oh god, look at here. I'm just managed to just put my bloody spanner on top of it here, get my thing. Yeah, just right there. You can see my spanner here, and this is the camera. Without camera, it's very difficult. Oh, yeah, just move the camera a bit that way, and you can see. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oops. I just dropped my. Oh, that's. Just try it again. Okay. Can you see? Oh yeah. Yeah, he's free now. Oh god. Oof. So I think just need to lose the other bolt. Maybe that one will be more. Yeah, just try it again. Guys, it was so difficult. I managed to take it off. Look at here. Look at the, let me just put that one on top here. Look at here, guys. What is this? It is very bad. This guy is just 4 years old, but look, all the rubber, everything gone. Oh, I can't believe that. Anyway, I ordered one brand new from BMW. By the way, I had to remove the, the coolant as well because it was so tight. So I ordered one from BMW. I've been told it's gonna be today is Saturday, Monday evening. So I'm gonna leave the car as it is and wait for part. Once I receive the part, I will do the video again, but as I said, it was so difficult. Very tiny place, very tiny place. I don't know if you can see, it's so tiny, so tiny. I can't believe it. Well guys, BMW part just arrived for this vehicle. Part, genuine part. That's the oil filter housing, brand new from BMW main dealer. That's the part number. This is a brand new part. You can see
That's how it is. Yeah. Copper. Yeah. Okay, oil filter housing is in, oil coolant in. That's the old one. Now I'm going to put some oil pipe coolant, and then slowly I put the ECU and just tidy up the wiring. So yeah, we see how it goes. Alright, I slowly I just put the ECU back, and I try to sort out the wiring and all the connection to the ECU. Alright guys, I put all the wiring, everything back. As you can see, everything nice back to where it was before. Everything nice, tidy. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lift the car up. I got some few bolt like that bracket, which is the whole what you call the gearbox fluid pipe. I put this one back, and I got some, you know, bolts. It needs to go back, and then I'll let you know what happened later. Just refreshing the oil as well, same time as antifreeze as well on top. Once I done the oil, I'm gonna do the antifreeze as well, and pretty much it's nearly finishing. Just put the negative battery back, and going to put this one back as well inside. So I think you just need to clamp it first, and then once you clamp it, alright, this one back, that one open. Let's go inside the car. So I put the ignition on, and the engine is on, so we don't have any rolling light, nothing. So engine sound is good. Speed of smoke, that's no problem. That is because the water is actually up on top of the exhaust. I have no problem, but I think I need to top up some water. Let me get my torch here. I'll just top up some water, I mean antifreeze. Yeah. Okay. See, we got some air, and so all the air out. Just like this, and I think that's all good now. I'll put the cap back, so everything is nice and smooth. The only thing left, that's the cover. See you later. Cover goes on top the what you call the ECU. That's how it goes. Okay, and the last thing is gonna be the engine cover, and that's engine cover as well. So everything back. Engine sound is good, so that is all gone. Can't see any leak. I'm gonna leave the car running for 10-15 minutes to make sure I don't have any you know, air inside the system coolant, and
I left the car off. I will check underneath, double check for leak, but that's all good. I'm so happy. That was quite a big job, especially this car. It was a hybrid. So thanks so much for watching, and we do something else on the next video. Thank you.